Everyone, and welcome to my first tutorial. It's going to be a tutorial on how to run Overwatch if you're having an issue with it. Will solve most problems with running Overwatch in terms of if you have a good computer, it just won't run it for some reason, or if you have a bad computer, a little bit below the requirements, and you still want to run it. This may solve it. There are other ways to do it I do not know about, but I can do some research if I absolutely have to. So to begin, I have Overwatch running right here in the background, right here. Settings are up and all that jazz. Just for the fact that I can pull that up if I need to. And let's begin. So first thing you want to do is you want to go here and you want to search Task Manager. Try to search task, it comes up. If you don't have the search bar, you can go Control Alt Delete, click Task Manager, or you can do, I think, Control X, I think is another one. Or is it? No, it's Windows button and X. I don't really remember. I'm pretty sure it's, yeah, Windows button and X, and then Task Manager here, and I'm just going to do it from there because it's really cool. And it's going to start up Task Manager normally, I believe. Yeah. And it's going to come up for me slowly. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how to create a script to run Overwatch, and I'm going to show you guys how to format that script. So it's going to be kind of a little bonus at the end if you guys want to stick around for that. Here's the Overwatch application, and here's Task Manager. What you want to do is you want to do nothing on this screen. If you want to do something on here, close something, I don't really care. But go to the top, and you want to look for Details. It's going to be one of these tabs. You want to click Details here. It's going to open up, and you want to scroll down until you find Overwatch. It should be in alphabetical. If it's not, click this name sub-tab, ribbon, I think they call it. Click it, and it'll put it in alphabetical order. But for me, it's already in alphabetical order. Go down to Overwatch, right-click it, set priority right here, and then you can set the priority to above, normal, or high. I do not recommend real time because then I believe it'll run this instead of like basic processes that you kind of need, like some sort of graphic thing. It happens sometimes. I don't recommend real time. I always recommend high as my most recommendation. Click high. It said changing the priority could cause system instability. It is possible if you do it to real time. That's why I don't ever recommend real time, because it can screw up your computer. So I'd say high almost all the time. Change priority unless if it's something like big, then don't. Like a program that's like security, then do real time. Like, I don't know, AVG. I don't think they have a computer version, but if they did, you'd run it at a higher priority, real time. After that, you want to go, and you're done. Actually, pretty much. If you guys want to see me create the script, I will show you guys how to do that. If you guys don't want to see me create the script, then the problem with this, really quick, is that every time you start Overwatch, you will have to do this without the script. Every single time. The problem with the script is when you get in Overwatch using the script, you have to log in with your username and password. So if you don't remember your username and password, you're going to have to do Task Manager every single time. There's probably another way to do it, like a priority tree. I don't know what that is. It might be something. I have no clue. But my Overwatch runs better now. All that jazz. I will show you my script. Now, I'm closing Overwatch because I'll run the script so you can see what happens. I'll create a whole new script in a second. Hang on. Let me open my door. There we go. I gotta let my cat in my room. Sorry about that, guys. What you want to do is you want to open up Notepad, and you want to maximize it if it's not maximized. And you want to type start, and you want to click space, and you want to put quotation marks, and you want to go /high, and then 2 quotations. Now, in this part, you're going to be putting the application name, which is Overwatch. I do not know if you need .exe in there. I'm pretty sure you don't because of I don't ever do that. This doesn't work for some reason. I don't really know why that's in there. I know why. It's a call upon tag. You use it to call upon the fact that you want to run Overwatch, but it doesn't work. I just put it in there as a failsafe. But I always keep that in there because then it's going to stay start high. There's nothing named high, and there's nothing there. You need Overwatch there. So you start Overwatch at high, and you start at the file path. Now what you want to do is you want to open up your file explorer, and you want to find where your Overwatch is. For me, it's on operating system. It's on, I think it's here. Program files 86. Should scroll down and you should see Overwatch. Yeah, right here. So then you find this. You find where it is. For me, it's in my program files /86 or multiplied by 86. This is the default for my computer to install these games, and I always install them on the this, unless if I have no space, and install them on my separate drive. But for now, let's do this. So here's this. You've got this thing open. I'm actually going to maximize this so you guys can see it better. You got this open. Now what I do is I come up here, I click this, I right click it, and I click copy. You're done. Now if you don't want to do that, you can just go up here, right click, copy address as text. Same concept. They give the same end result. Just one less step. And then you come in here and you paste this. There you go. Problem. I will show you the problem. Now I'm going to skip this. I'll show you guys how to fix this problem because you'll get this almost every time you do it. There is one thing I cannot figure out. Now I'll show you guys that in a second. You want to go File, Save As. There is going to be a problem. I know there is. You want to do File, Save As. And you want to do name it whatever, test 1 Overwatch. There. And you want to change the save as type to all files, and you want to name it as a .bat file. And then you want to go, I'm going to put it on my desktop, and you want to click save. Now it'll save it as test 1 Overwatch right here. I go to run it. Oh, what? It ran this. Indeed, that's why I don't get the, yeah, it just opens up the file path. This is what I don't get. Why is there a call upon name if it doesn't work? Well, I figured out a way to get around that. You guys may be thinking it already. You got to go here, and you see how it says Overwatch? What you want to do is you want to call upon this name. If you go in here in your, let me just do this, so it opens it up anyways. You want to open it up here, and you see how it says like Overwatch? You want to go slash, I'm just going to do it here to show you, and then I'll do it in the text document. You want to go slash with the same slash. Oh wait, that's a forward slash. Sorry guys. You want to do this, and then you want to go Overwatch. Alright, yeah. The only reason I'm doing this is because of the fact that the Overwatch, you don't want to do Overwatch.bat. I only did that because I wanted to click something. You want to do slash Overwatch. Now, the reason why you want to do slash Overwatch, not Overwatch Launcher, because if you do Overwatch Launcher, it'll launch it like the Blizzard.net, and then it'll pull up Overwatch on there. You want to run it straight up, and I just did it because I started Overwatch from there. I did Overwatch.bat, so I'm going to close this. We're not doing this right now. Alright, yeah, that's not gonna work. I have to test this. Oh, no, we're good. Alright, so you want to go like that. I explained that. Now, let me open this. Sorry, guys. Computer's a little bit laggy. You want to go here. I hate this. Why? I didn't even open you. See, now here's this. We've got all this stuff. We're all good. Now what you want to do is you want to enter this and you want to put in overwatch. There, you're all set. And you want to Control S, save this, and then you want to exit this, and you want to right click. Oh, you don't have to right click. I just opened it this way. Open, and it will open it. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. There we go. It'll open up Overwatch. Now the joy about this, and you'll see in a second, it's connecting to battle.net. See, you do always, every single time, have to log in with your username and password right here. Every single time. Every single time. So I'm going to close this here. Actually, no, I'm going to show this to you. So if you go in here, you can go to your task manager and see. I'm not going to do any type of detail. I'm not going to skip. I'm not going to cut ahead. This is how you really do it. It's how I would always do this. You go details, Overwatch down here. Not past it, yes I did. And you go right click, set priority. What? It's already set to high. Yes. The only downside that I've seen to this so far is the fact you got to type in your username and password. And mine's not that large, so it works. But there's that. That's all set up. There you go. Now I might do some Unity tutorials later on. And that's all I can say for now. But this is this. Now I'm gonna give you guys a heads up. I'm gonna show you guys the amazing thing about this. It doesn't just have to be this. You can use this change priority thing to whatever application you want, except like system process stuff that you don't have the right permission. You can't edit that stuff, and that will screw up your computer. But this stuff is this priority is like my most recommended. But you can do that for anything. You can do that for any application. Anything. I don't have these installed anymore, else I'd show that, because some people have problems with that. I don't think I have anything I can show you guys. Maybe Borderlands 2? Maybe? But I'm not going to show it to you guys. You guys can experiment, change whatever. But, yeah. There we go. So everybody who's been having a bad day, let it get better and be optimistic. Everybody that's having a good day, let it stay that way. Everybody have a good day and a great night, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Bye-bye.